Welcome back to All More Fam, guys. Today I'm gonna be telling you my experience with Cosrx AHA Whitehead Power Liquid. Pitching it in my skincare routine has been super beneficial for my skin, so I thought why not share it with you so it might be of help for you guys too. I used to think Korean skincare products are so overhyped, but I knew I was wrong the moment I started using them. The main thing I love about Cosrx is it's cruelty free. I love the packaging as well, it's so minimal, so let's see what's inside it. I've been using this AHA Whitehead Power Liquid for over 2 months now, and I could definitely see the difference on my face. AHAs are water soluble acids, and after use you're likely to notice that your skin is smoother to the touch. This Whitehead Power Liquid is formulated with 7% glycolic acid, suitable for all skin types, especially dry and flaky. It also helps in the fading of pigmentation that's around the lips. Glycolic acid also stimulates collagen production, which is must for younger looking skin. As the name suggests, the main purpose of this Cosrx Whitehead Power Liquid is to get rid of stubborn whiteheads. I had too many whiteheads around my nose, on the chin and on the forehead as well. I badly wanted to get rid of these stubborn whiteheads, and somehow I came across this Cosrx Whitehead Power Liquid and got this hesitantly after seeing a lot of positive reviews. Well, I can't say all the whiteheads are gone, but got rid of many. I'm sure I could see a lot more difference if I continue using it. Now let's get into how and when to use it. Firstly, pump 3 to 4 drops of the liquid onto a cotton pad and then gently pat it or wipe it on your face, starting with around the nose and then chin and the forehead and later on the cheeks, but gently. Do not wipe harder. It's non-greasy and settles into your skin faster. I'd say this chemical exfoliator is a must. Use this AHA Whitehead Power Liquid at night after cleansing and prepping your skin with a toner. After applying this, wait for 10 minutes and wash your face with lukewarm water followed by moisturizer. Do not use a skincare product that contains vitamin C or retinol after using this Whitehead Power Liquid. Also, putting on the sunscreen the next day is a must-done step. Not using sunscreen may have many side effects, so it's a must to use sunscreen. In the beginning, start using this Whitehead Power Liquid once a week until your skin gets used to it. Using this product twice a week would be enough, and do not use this if you have already exfoliated your skin on that particular day, as over exfoliation is not good. But if you are someone who wants to use chemical free products, we also have made a video on Mamaearth products that are chemical free. That video's link is in description below. So guys, I'm sure I'm of little help for you and your skin. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.